Hello. Do you want your brand to stand out? Now, introducing a great privilege for all of your customers who can make the optimum use of the product named Executive Aluminium Wall Clock, with its versatile features that include large digits, metal hands, aluminium shell frame, PVC clock face, transparent cover glass, which will give your company some good marketing exposure with a handful amount of facilities among your customers, which can be used for keeping time. Print your brand or company logo right here. Now in 15 different colors. Click the Order Now button to have your digital proof in 30 minutes, or click the Inquiry button for any questions or to get a quote. Thank you for choosing our product.